And when arriving, you'll arrive on the main road and you'll see the Hatton Grange and Lodge sign. If you follow this road, and when arriving to the Hatton Lodge Annex, the gates for the lodge are just here. To open the gates, just lift this bar and push the gate open. And there's plenty of space for your car. And to close the gate, just simply push behind, lift up the handle and secure in place, please. We have a lovely outdoor area for you to enjoy in the sunshine and in the evenings. And when arriving to the lodge, the Keysafe is just on your right hand side. To use the Keysafe, simply pull down the cover to reveal the dials and enter the code that we've provided. And once you've entered the code, just take the latch on the left hand side and pull this down to access the key. If you can please remove the key and put the cover back up, and if you can scramble the code and then pull the cover back up, please. To access the lodge, just take the key, pop it into the door and turn to the left anti-clockwise to open the door. It is a barn door, so to open the bottom section, just take this latch here and pull this away from you, which opens both sections of the door. And welcome to the Hatton Lodge Annex. When inside, to lock the door, just the same as when you open the door. To close this, push the door back into position just here, take this latch and push towards the outside, which locks the door. And to lock the top section, just close behind and you take the same key, pop into the door and turn to the left anti-clockwise again, which locks both sections of the door. We have a lovely living area for you with smart television. And when you arrive, we've got a guidebook to help you settle in. For the smart TV, to use this, just take this remote, press the top left button just here to turn the television on. When the TV loads up, you can take the dials just here and cycle through all of the different apps that are available. Please feel free to sign into any of your accounts. Just remember on departure to sign out, please. If you take the remote and press the free play button, this takes you straight to the free view available for you to watch during your stay. Again, just use the arrows to cycle between the available channels, and once you've found something that you'd like to watch, press the middle button to watch on demand. To go back to the home menu, just take the remote and press the wee house symbol. And when finished, press the button on the top left hand side to turn off. Moving into our lovely bedroom. We've got a beautiful space for you to enjoy. It's a very comfortable double bed. We have bedside lamps on either side, which can be controlled with this switch just here, and that's likewise on both sides of the bed. There's also a light switch just here, which turns on both bedside lamps when you enter. We have some hanging space for you, and for the heating, the radiators throughout the lodge are all controlled in the same way. This is currently shown in the coldest setting, and turning around to this symbol is the hottest setting. Please feel free to turn, adjust and make yourself comfortable. There's additional plug sockets just located here, which the flaps just lift up, and likewise on the left hand side. We keep our hairdryer in this drawer. In the bedroom we have some lovely double doors. To lock these doors, close this door first, and then the little latch just here, just slide this up to secure this door on the left in place. Followed by the second door, just close this. Just take the dial here and turn to the left to lock the door. And to unlock, just turn to the right. And behind the couch, we have our radiator for the living room. Again, just take the dial, just turn, adjust and make yourself comfortable. A lovely dining space for two, for you to enjoy some meals together. And just to the right, we have our thermostat. Currently it's showing the temperature inside the lodge at the moment. To adjust the temperature, to increase, just press the button on the right hand side to change the temperature that it's set to. To reduce the temperature, just press the arrow on the left hand side to reduce the temperature. Moving into our kitchenette. It's a lovely space for you to enjoy preparing meals. For our microwave, to use this, press the top left button here, microwave power. It defaults to 100%. If you press it again, it goes to 80%, 60, 40, 20, and back to 100. If you want 100% power, leave it on this setting. Then take the dial and just turn to your desired time, 1:30 for example. Then press the start button in the bottom right. If you want to pause, press this button, and you can pull the door open, check your food, close again, and press restart. To cancel completely, press the cancel button twice. For our toaster, you just push down the levers here, and to cancel, the buttons on either side. To adjust the time duration, just turn this dial here. Turning towards the lower the numbers reduces the time, and to the higher the numbers increases the time duration, and that's likewise on both sides. For the cooker hob, to turn this on, you just press this button just here. You can see the lights illuminate. To select the top burner, it's this button just here, and the lower burner, this button here. If you press the top one, for example, then press the plus button, you can cycle through all the different power settings, and it quickly warms up. To reduce and adjust the temperature again, just tap the burner and cycle back through to adjust. If by chance there is an L displayed on this screen here, it means that it's been locked. This is a child lock. To take this off the lock section, just click and hold this button just for a few moments, and you can see it disappears. To press off, just press this button. The letter H will show until the burning ring is reduced in temperature. It's just displaying that it's still hot. Just under the microwave, we have a fridge for you to use during your stay. And just in this cupboard, we have some cooking equipment for you, pots and pans, and some other amenities. We provide an Nespresso coffee machine for you to use during your stay, and some pods to get you started. To use this, simply lift up this section here and pop the pod in the displayed shape just here. Then gently but firmly pull this back down. To use the machine, for a small cup press the bottom button, a large cup press this button, and if you want to use the milk frothing machine as well, press the top button. For the milk container here, it just pulls out away from the machine, and then to fill this with milk, you just lift this and fill it with milk. And then to put it back into the machine, just back onto the position and push back until you hear a wee click. For the water reservoir at the back, this pulls out towards the wall just slightly and then allows you to lift it back up. For the water reservoir, you then just lift up the lid, fill it with water, and close this again. Then pop it back onto the machine at the back, this into place, and once it's in position, just pull this towards the machine and it clicks into place. It's ready to enjoy. For our kettle, it's this little switch just here. Just press down to activate. And for our hot water, the hot water is located on the left hand side. Just pull this down towards you to activate. And likewise for the cold, just pull this down towards you. Just under the sink, we have some cleaning supplies for you, and our glasses and crockery in this cupboard. For general waste, we have our bin located just here, just operated with the foot pedal. Moving now into our bathroom, we have a lovely space for you to enjoy relaxing in. The light is on an automatic sensor, so it comes on when the door opens. It's a lovely wet room, so when you close the door, you've got beautiful tiles in the back of the door. We always provide you hand soap for your stay. And for the bathroom sink, for hot water, turn this dial to the left, then lift up and turn to the right for cold, and likewise lift up to activate the water. For the shower controls, we have a lovely overhead shower. The temperature control is on the left hand side. Turning this around to the right increases the temperature, and turning to the left decreases the temperature. Just turn, adjust to make yourself comfortable, and please make small changes as it does change quickly. And to activate the water, you turn the top dial. We'll have a window just here. To open the window, just pull this lever, which opens the window for you. And to close, push back in position, and this lever clicks back in place. We have a blind to operate this, just pull this down, and to open, it just goes back up. For the towel radiator, to control the temperature here, and to take the dials just here, turning to the right clockwise reduces the temperature, and left anti-clockwise increases the temperature. And that's likewise on both sides. Just turn, adjust, make yourself comfortable. To lock the bathroom door, just take the dial and turn this dial right clockwise to lock the door, and left anti-clockwise to unlock. And for the radiators, they're all controlled in the same way. In the dining area section, the radiator here, just turn, adjust, and make yourself comfortable. And likewise behind the television, there's another radiator. Just turn on this valve here, adjust, make yourself comfortable. And if you are leaving for the night, this switch just here activates the lights just outside, so you can pop that on to help you when you're returning. And when you're checking out, if you can please pop the lights off. For the switch just here, it turns off the kitchen. And for this switch just here, it turns off the main lights. And finally for the wall lights, just this button just here. And to depart, if you can unlock the door. And likewise, when you arrived, just take the latch here, pull this towards you, which opens the door. Pull the door back into position and pull this latch down, which locks the door. And take the top half of the barn door, then take the key, pop it into the door, and turn this to the right clockwise, which locks both doors. And if you can check both doors are secure, please. For the Keysafe, just the same as on arrival. If you've entered the code, just take the latch here, pull this down to open the safe. So enter the code that we provided on check-in. And once you've entered the code, just pull down the latch to open the Keysafe. If you can pop the key back into the safe, please. And if you can close the safe, please, and scramble the code and put the cover back up. Please be careful of the little step just along the path. And likewise, there's a wee drop just on the left hand side if you've got little ones. For general waste, we have just through the gate our bins. Just open the gate, and we have recycling in the blue bin and general waste in the green bin, please. And again, to close the gate. And when checking out, once you've taken your car out of the driveway, if you can please close the gate and just ensure this is secured. We hope you had a lovely stay with us at the Hatton Annex Lodge, and we hope to welcome you back in the future.